Hey guys, I am running the latest DeepSeek version 4 Flash model for free inside Opencode. Yesterday they announced this new model access inside the Opencode. Here you see new DeepSeek version 4 Flash is now available in Opencode Go and the free tier also. So I have used this free tier access and I have made this advanced animated website. Let me show you. Here you see this is the advanced animated website. If I just reload it, here you see 100%, and after that this is the website that we have got. And if I scroll down below, here you see this kind of animated numbers, and when I am taking my mouse on the left hand side corner, here you see from the right hand side a black color wave is appearing, and when I am taking my mouse on the right hand side top corner, here you see from the left hand side a wave is coming, the black color wave, right? Not only that, if I scroll down, here you see another wave, and here you see the background, some kind of stars effect, and also this pulse effect. Okay, so this kind of advanced animated website I have made with this DeepSeek version 4 Flash, and this is the new model 0731, means 31st July 2026 they released it. And the interesting thing is that I have used the default low reasoning effort. Okay, means if you just do this control P and do this switch model and search this DeepSeek, and here you see DeepSeek version 4 Flash, and if you select this model, then it will ask you to choose the reasoning effort. Okay, now I have used the low effort and I have got this kind of highly animated advanced website. Basically I use the prompt from the ChatGPT. I asked it that I want to make a great advanced animated website using HTML, CSS, JS, give me the prompt. It gave me one prompt, and after that it gave me one suggestion, even better version. This is the GSAP plus Lenis, so I use this one. Okay, means all of the effects that are possible inside front end, like this floating, glass morphism, advanced gradient meshes, and premium loading screen. This is the premium loading screen I have used, like this 0 to 100%, and after that the site will appear. Okay, so if you can include this kind of effects also inside your website, then you will get this animated website. I will make a separate video on this, that how you can guys make a animated website. But the thing is that this new model is actually great. Here you see from their official benchmark comparison, this model really giving the almost same kind of performance like the OPUS 4.8. So you see on this terminal bench it is scoring 82.7 and OPUS 4.8 is scoring 85.0, and on this DBSWE it is scoring 54.4 and OPUS 4.8 is scoring 58. So almost same kind of performance. But if you just compare the pricing, here you see DeepSeek version 4 Flash is this is the terminal bench 2.1, 82.7 scoring. Its cost is only $0.14 for the input and $0.20 for the output. And in case of Sonnet 5, or you can say GPT 5.6 all, or this Fable 5, they are scoring more. Sorry, their pricing is more, but you see score is almost same. Okay, now in case of GPT 5.6 Luna, the story is even more interesting. You see that yesterday Sam Altman announced that OpenAI is actually reducing the price for the GPT 5.6 Luna. And although they have reduced the price for this GPT 5.6 Luna, but if you go to this artificial analysis intelligence index, here you see that DeepSeek version 4 Flash, this new model is scoring 50. Okay, its score is 50, and this GPT 5.6 Luna, its scoring is 51. So there is a 1 mark difference. But if you see the pricing is huge in case of GPT 5.6 Luna. Okay, and this is the token use. Now in case of token use, you see that GPT 5.6 Luna Max, this is the 20k token usage, and this is the DeepSeek version for this new model. Okay, this new model is taking 46k token. Yes, in case of DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0731, the new model, it is actually consuming more token than all of the previous model, but it has improved a lot in case of artificial analysis intelligence. Now not only that, if you just compare the cost. Okay, so in case of DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0731, this is the max version, its cost is only $0.03. Okay, but in case of GPT 5.6 Luna Max, and it cost is around $0.07. Okay, means in case of DeepSeek version 4 Flash new model, the cost is around 60% less than the GPT 5.6 Luna Max, although it is giving the same kind of performance like the GPT 5.6 Luna. Okay, so actually that's why people are actually more crazy about this new model, because we are getting almost same kind of performance like the top frontier closed source model. Then why we will pay more for the GPT 5.6 or this Opus 4.8? Because people are more interested in the DeepSeek from the beginning, and also after releasing this Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.6 Luna benchmark comparison, people are now very much interested, and they want to reduce the costing and also the token usage and all other things. Okay, so that's why this model DeepSeek version 4 Flash is now a more effective model, from the cost perspective, and also from the intelligence perspective, and also from the speed perspective. So actually this model is very fast, and also it has a lot of intelligence capability. Okay, so yes guys, this is the thing that I wanted to share with you, and I have discussed a lot of things with you, and how you can get the free access inside the open code. They are currently giving the free tier access. You please use it. And another thing is that they have actually beaten the DeepSeek version 4 Pro preview model also. Okay, so the main DeepSeek version 4 Pro has not yet come out. It is currently in preview mode, but this new DeepSeek version 4 Flash actually beaten the version 4 preview model completely. Okay. So yes guys, I hope that you have found this video helpful. A detailed analysis, detailed step-by-step explanation, and all of the necessary links I will give in description. And if you want to get this kind of latest AI innovation daily, and then don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.